We are right now at $185.74. I did finally look it up, and there is $150 of what I actually put into this account. I have not funded it more than that. And that was about a year ago. So that's about 20 something percent. I did the math the other day in a year. It's not too shabby at all. I'm definitely not upset about that in the slightest bit. And now with that sell, we have $106.01 available to trade with. So this is what I'm looking to, this is how I like to position myself, or how I'm comfortable positioning myself right now as we're going forward. Even though overall I consider myself a pretty risky person, when it comes to building these accounts, I definitely want to take a more slower approach, because I'm basically just going with use what I know and just trust my gut. And these are the actions that I should have taken 10 years ago, and I knew 10 years ago, but I didn't. We're in the positive